Good morning, and welcome to the One Startup World Summer Conference for 2023. This is the premier global startup conference dedicated to helping innovative and disruptive startups to succeed. This platform is designed to help startup founders pitch their ideas, gain some valuable insights, and connect with other like-minded entrepreneurs, industry experts, potential investors, and partners. My name is John Pennant. I lead the life sciences and technology industry practice for EisnerAmper, and we're pleased to be a participant in this conference. Our next presenter is going to be from LifeNome, Ali Mostashari, and it is our pleasure to please have you present to us. Ali, please take it away.
Thank you so much, John. Hi, everyone. Good morning. My name is Ali Mostashari. I'm the CEO of LifeNome. LifeNome is a precision health B2B company, an AI company headquartered in New York City. Glad to have the opportunity to present to One Startup World. And I think this will be a unique presentation and pitch because instead of one investment opportunity, I'll be presenting you with 5. So kind of keep posted, and I hope I've piqued your interest. So LifeNome, as a company, was founded by 3 scientists. Each of us are the top 20 cited scholars in the world in our respective fields. Mine is complexity science. I'm the top 20 cited scholars in the world in complexity science. My co-founder Raya is in the top 10 cited scholars in the world in translational bioinformatics. And my other co-founder, Mario, is in the top 20 cited scholars in the world in semantic networks, which is basically the precursor to generative AI. We've been in business since 2017. Our business model is B2B2C. We are targeting a revenue of around $4 million for fiscal year 2023. And we're active in precision medicine, precision preventative health, precision insurance, and other areas. Team of 30 half PhDs, more than 200,000 scientific citations, more than 25 million in enterprise deals between now and 2026, and available in 14 countries through our partnerships. What we do is we take data, and basically what precision health in general means, it means that a one-size-fits-all approach to health is not going to be valid. We take different kinds of data from individuals, such as biological data, such as DNA, RNA, microbiome, physiological data, such as wearables, behavioral data, demographic data, and spatial temporal data. And then we provide solutions for different industries, including life and health insurance, healthcare systems and pharma, women's health, food, beverage and supplementation, fitness and employee well-being, and personal care and beauty. The companies we work with are some of the largest in the world. In aggregate, they have more than $500 billion in market cap. We have strategic partnerships with LG and G42, which go in excess of $22 million in the next couple of years, and also licensing partnerships with pharmaceutical companies such as AbbVie, nutrition companies such as Campbell, PepsiCo, Abbott, and others. We've been one of the most award-winning companies in the area of precision health, 14 awards, mostly top awards among hundreds of different startups since 2018. And our technology is pretty unique in that we have for biology what ChatGPT has for language models. So we have the ability to look at systems biology models that are very specifically trained with our machine learning algorithms. There are 17 federated engines working together to create basically our assessments and recommendations and everything, with more than 100,000 API endpoints. What we're trying to do now is to expand, and that expansion is a global expansion. We're going to be going to Brazil, China, Mexico, Turkey, Latin America in general, and the Middle East. So if you know any local teams and organizations that may be interested in partnering with us, representing LifeNome in those countries, we'd be more than happy for those introductions. But we also are looking for active joint venture opportunities for direct-to-consumer kind of companies that we want to co-found using our technology. And in that sense, we pretty much have these companies that you see ready to go. These could be basically market ready within 3 to 6 months. What we're looking for are operation, marketing, and investment partners for each of these areas. One is personalized supplements, huge, around 14% growth year over year. and personalized beauty, personalized meal delivery, and longevity. What we've done in all of these is we have a digital platform that does the personalization of the particular product or service, but we also have all the supply chains in place, manufacturing contracts in place, and everything else. So these are really ready companies to go. And would require operators and who are really good at executing direct to consumer, something that we as a B2B company are not necessarily strong on. So our goal is, since we are in the 0.1%, top 0.1% of science and technology in the area of personalized and precision health, we're looking for the top 0.1% of operators and investors with visions that could take these different applications and make them into market successes. So with that, there are two sets of opportunities that exist. One is in the core parent company, LifeNome. We are going to have, we're targeting $4 million of revenue for fiscal year 2023. We have a very healthy runway, more than 26 months. As you saw, more than $20 million in deal value already closed. And we are right this moment closing within the next 2 weeks. A late seed with a $30 million cap, 20% discount, 24-month note that closes by the end of July. And the lead investors, LG Ventures with Edgewood Growth Fund Partners, also into a combined $4.5 million combined note that we have secured so far. And if you want to join the syndicate, you would actually kind of have to be a little bit in a rush and let us know within the next week or two. And there would be a minimum of $500K for joining that syndicate. Now, if $30 million cap is too high for your stage of investment, we also have the opportunities on the right-hand side, the opportunities 2 to 5, which are the direct-to-consumer joint venture investments. We're really seeking in that operator investment co-founder teams. And we can either find them together, meaning operators who can also bring investments, or we can kind of find them separately for each of the newcos. The pre-JV asset and IP valuation is around 4 to 6 million, so pretty affordable. And the reason of that pricing is basically these are companies with a product, with a ready structure to go, but with no existing revenue. So this is really like more of a pre-seed, early seed funding. And the way we are looking for that is for us to have around 30% and for the investor and operator partner team to have 70% of that. Part of that is going to be paying us a technology transfer fee, as well as investing capital for the first 24 months of operations by the investor partner operator team. We will provide all the market research data that we have gathered, the entire technology IP, digital product development. All of these are carved out as independent IPs and are ready to be used. We also have supply chains and manufacturing setups for supplements and for personalized skincare and haircare product manufacturing. And also for the physician networks that are available for the Precision Longevity Initiative, and also a company that can provide the actual personalized meal delivery. So the investors would provide seed capital and tech transfer fees, and the operators would be responsible for product market fit, marketing, sales, business development, and a vision of taking it beyond what we've envisioned so far. And we would support that process over the next couple of years to do all the back-end development that's needed to make these JVs a success. So that's basically it for my presentation. As Stelios wanted it to be concise, I think it is concise. So if you want to contact me, my email is ali@lifenome.com. You can also check out our website with everything that we have to offer, lifenomeapi.com. Thank you so much for the opportunity and looking forward to your questions.
Terrific presentation, Ali. I appreciate it very much. That's a lot of stuff you got going on there. Very complex structure, very complex set of programs in place there. What's it going to take for you to succeed?
So we're already successful in our main business. Our main business is a B2B process. However, one of the challenges with B2B is we work with multi-billion-dollar organizations. And what happens with them is the sales cycle is long, and then after we sell, it takes them 2 to 3 years to get things to market. So on a parallel track, in addition to our main business model, we're basically thinking, can we actually find agile teams that are not the LGs of the world, that are not the PepsiCos of the world, not these humongous organizations that need to get so many different approvals to just get started, but actually agile teams of operators someone who's been an angel investor before or still is an angel investor and thinks, okay, you know what, I want to actually get into this. I love personalized supplements, and if I can kind of partner with the best technology in the world, and that IP could be our IP, meaning that it would not be licensing, but they could own that IP, then that might be a really good value proposition. So we're basically positioning ourselves, given our reputation for the science shop for personalization in the world, we're probably the best known one currently on the planet. We want to have and get to know people who have the vision, the drive to actually make that a success. So at the basic baseline, we're already successful in the things that we're doing at the B2B side. We just want to, basically, we're taking a risk that's no risk to us because it doesn't impact us. We already have the scaling capability to serve more than 10 million people without any issues.
Great. And that's how you sort of defined your financing request as well then. So got it. Terrific. Awesome. Well, great presentation. And we wish you certainly the best of luck in pulling this together and continuing your road to success.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.